What's up, internet? Recently nasira yung laptop ng kaibigan ko, pero fortunately, SSD lang yung problema. Whew! And you'd sigh with relief too if your computer broke down and it was covered by our sponsor.
Whether your PC is brand new or an old war machine, siguro malapit siya sa puso mo. But no matter how careful you are, sometimes accidents happen. Or sometimes it's not your fault. Nagkalindol, baha, tumutulo yung condo unit sa taas ng unit mo. Wala kang control sa mga bagay na yan, but they can damage your devices. The worst is when it is someone's fault and your things are stolen. Buti na lang, it's easy to have peace of mind for your devices with ProTech Computer Insurance from CocoGen. If your desktop or laptop is damaged, with ProTech Insurance, you are assured you will have the funds needed to get it repaired or replaced. The insurance covers a wide series of unfortunate events, from fire and lightning, to accidental damage, to theft, typhoon and flood damage, broad water damage, the list goes on. And the cost is very reasonable, as low as 1,000 pesos for a desktop and 1,500 for a laptop, and that's for a whole year already. You can apply for ProTech Computer Insurance at any CocoGen branch or inquire via the phone or email, details in the video description.
Ayos, SSD lang yung problema. In the list of potential laptop problems, that's not too bad. That's an easy fix. Easy fix kung gawa ka sa pera. My friend had it assessed at the official repair center for the brand, tapos sobrang mahal ng quotation nila. Gaano kamahal? I'll show you. He was being charged 32,000 pesos. Itong SSD. This is an SSD. This is what he needed. For this one part, they were charging him 32K. For that amount of money, you can get an entire desktop computer already. Lahat ng linagay ko to dito sa harap, more or less 32,000 to. Just for one part. So itong SSD na hawak ko, it's a 500GB NVMe Samsung SSD. This is exactly what he needed to repair his laptop. Just for this one part, magkano to? This one from Hardware Sugar is 5,650. So that's around 80% less than what the repair center was charging him. So 32,000 versus 5,650, my friend didn't have to think about it at all. He got the SSD from us and then he had his office tech, since medyo boss siya sa kanila, to install it, and now the laptop is working fine. The SSD is working fine, everything is running normally. Sobrang taga nung quote nung repair center. To be fair to the brand, who we will not name, although I'm sure you'll ask in the comments na sabihin namin kung sino, pero hindi naman sila nagpauso nitong scam na to. And I think it's, scam is a fair word to use if you can get the same thing for 80% less. From what I can tell, as with many irritating things about computers, nagsimula tong practice na to sa Apple. Whenever I hear Apple now, and even from before, I always used to think sobrang mahal nung SSDs nila. A tradition that they carry up to today. For example, this 2020 MacBook Air with 256GB of memory will cost you around $950. And if you want to double that memory to 512GB, then you pay $1,150. That's around a $200 difference just for 256GB more of memory. Again, this Samsung NVMe SSD 500GB is only around 5,650 pesos or around $110. So that's double the capacity what Apple is offering for around half the price. So kung SSD lang yung sira sa laptop mo, that's an easy fix and you don't need to pay such a super high amount. Get the SSD from us and then get a friendly tech to install it. We recommend either GS Tech or Fixie.ph. Neither of them is affiliated with Hardware Sugar, but we've been watching them for a while and they're very competent techs, they know their stuff. And this will save you a lot of money and get your laptop running back up to normal in no time. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, internet, and special thanks to our top fans, Christian Espinosa, John Ruben Ocha, ITX Addict, Ian Meru, Richard Ongkinko, Leah Magnaye, and Dom H. Maraming salamat po.